Hey gang, today I'm going to continue my 2017 rookie kick / obsession and open a retail box of 2017 Donruss Optic. I'm not sure if I will have posted my full blaster box case break by the time I post this. Probably I'll post that first, but anyways, I pulled some really nice stuff out of that, and I'm hoping for the same out of this. That had pink parallels, and I don't think this has that. I think it may just have the hollow prism parallels and not colored. I can't even remember at this point. But either way, I'll be looking for rookies. Could get an autograph, but it's not guaranteed out of the retail box. You get one in the hobby box. Robinson, Elliott, Raekwon McMillan, Prism rookie, and Davis Webb. Frank Gore, Khalil Mack. Here's a blue Dwayne Smoot. This is numbered to 299. And Deshaun Kaiser. Antonio Brown, Brandon Marshall, Mike Wallace, and Charles Harris rookie. Darrell Freeman, Carson Wentz, Demarius Thomas, and Sidney Jones. So not much in those two packs. Eli Manning, Randall Cobb. We have a R. Joshua Dobbs Prism rookie. That's not bad. And Chad Hansen. Richard Sherman, Travis Kelce, Pryor, and D.D. Westbrook Raider rookie. Drew Brees, Freeman, not Foreman, Johnson, and Dalvin Cook. Nice Raider rookie there. Phillip Rivers, Brandon Cooks, Deshaun Jackson, parallel. It's a Trubisky. It's two good Raider rookies in a row. Hearns, Jones Jr., aka Zeke. Cool insert. Jeremy Sprinkle rookie. I think you might be able to get green parallels out of this. Maybe, or maybe that's only hobby. I know I pulled a green insert parallel of Brady numbered to 5 out of one of these boxes, but I cannot remember for the life of me if it was hobby or retail. I think it might have been hobby. Here's a Richard Sherman Gridiron Kings. Conley rookie. Wilson and Kaya rookie. Le'Veon Bell, Doug Baldwin, a Todd Gurley insert, Jake Butt. Jordan Reed, Sam Bradford, Ryan Tannehill, and a Joe Williams. Lamar Miller, Blake Bortles, Matthew Stafford, and Shelton Gibson. Tajay Sharp, Manuel Sanders, there's Dak Prescott, and Curtis Samuel. Newton, Cousins, Forte, Trent Taylor. Bryant, Austin, Davis, and Bosa. Nothing much there. Watkins, Beckham. There's a nice insert. The rookies, Fournette. And Melifonu. Woo. Woo woo. Clay Matthews, Lacey Palmer, Ardarius Stewart. Hill, Lynch, Matthews, and McCaffrey. Then the last two packs. Suggs, Ryan, Gronk, Hood. McCown, Murray, Garcon, and Cohen. I'm going to tell you right now, I would absolutely, after breaking a case of the blasters and opening a couple of these boxes, I absolutely would recommend that if you want to open 24 packs of this, grab a couple of the blaster boxes. They are absolutely better than these. I don't know, I guess I'd forgotten that this little stack of inserts and rookies right there, I mean, you'll get probably much better than that out of the blaster boxes. The blaster boxes just, I don't want to say they were loaded because they didn't have like a ton of hits, but they do have jersey cards. You don't get any of that here. They had lots of inserts. They have the pink parallels. It, compared to this, they were just infinitely better. I'm trying to think about the price. This is $49, and I got the blasters would have been, wow, I got the blasters cheap, so in comparison, probably about 40, I don't know, probably about the same price for 4 blasters as opposed to in comparison with one of these. And the blasters in my book are the winner between in that contest, hands down. So that's what I got to say about that. And thanks for watching, everybody. I'll be back on my next video soon.